Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Today's video is a collaboration video and it's also a competition. Well, I'm collaborating with Jared, also known as BBQ and Bottles, and we're doing a wing challenge. Yep, I don't know what it is with me, chicken wings and collaborations, but Jared is going to be cooking up some chicken wings and I'm going to be cooking up some chicken wings as well. And then you guys are going to vote for which wings you like better on Jared's Instagram. Now you must definitely go and follow Jared's account. He makes some incredible food. Barbecue, of course, it's pretty obvious. His handle is BBQ and Bottles. And he's also got a YouTube channel and I definitely think you should check it out. Now I don't know what Jared is cooking up, but today I'm going to be cooking up some peanut butter chicken wings. Oh yeah, this is my own little creation that I came up with kind of like 2 days ago. I actually made it with chicken thighs, but you know me guys, I love to transfer things onto wings. I mean, I've got so many different wing recipes on this channel. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. It's time for me to go and make these delicious peanut butter chicken wings. Meanwhile, you guys make sure that you also follow Jared on Instagram and YouTube and make sure you vote when the competition goes live. Of course, I'll post about it on my Instagram, Facebook and everywhere else and you will be informed. Anyway, that's a lot of jibber jabber today. Let's go cook. So the first thing we're going to do is make the marinade for the chicken wings, and we're going to start out with some all natural peanut butter. Something made with just peanuts and nothing else. Then in goes some coconut cream. You can also use coconut milk, no problem. Now I'm going to add in some salt, some black pepper, some ginger and garlic powder, some allspice powder, some sriracha sauce for heat. You can also use cayenne pepper or you can add more sriracha sauce if you want it spicier. A teaspoon of vinegar, about 10 ml of soya sauce, a little bit of fish sauce as well. And then you want to give it all a good mix. And our marinade is ready, and now we're going to add our chicken wings into this and give it one more good mix. And then of course you want to let this marinate for as long as you possibly can. Remember, the longer the better. Once that's done, set it aside and let it marinate. Now I marinated my chicken for 2 hours and now I'm going to put it on a wire rack in my baking tray. And then this will go into an oven at 220 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes till the chicken wings are perfectly cooked. And then the chicken wings are done and they look delicious. This is going to be a tough competition, though I have no idea what my competition actually looks like. But hey, I've given it my best shot. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Alright folks, so here we are and it's time to taste the chicken wings. So let's dig in. Oh, yummy. It's beautiful, it's peanutty, it's rich. It's like nothing I have actually tasted before. I'm trying to put my finger on what this reminds me of, but it's just delicious peanut butter chicken wings. Anyway, you guys know the drill. I hope you will make these wings at home. Let me know how you like the recipe. And of course, don't forget to check out Jared's channel BBQ and Bottles on Instagram and on YouTube. And of course, don't forget to vote for your favorite chicken wings. Mine. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Cheers and keep cooking. If you guys haven't noticed by now, I have got a thing for chicken wings. I've got plenty of chicken wing recipes on this channel. Do check them out. We got butter chicken wings, we got tandoori chicken wings, we got malai chicken wings, we got garlic parmesan chicken wings, and we got these peanut butter chicken wings. Enjoy.